everyone, and thank you for watching. If you want to see how I got this posh pink Valentine's Day look, please keep watching. I'm starting off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, only in the areas I really need it. For foundation, I'm going to mix the Estee Lauder Double Wear in 3N2 and the MAC Studio Fix in NW15. I love this combo. I love the way it smells. I love the finish. Just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, a little tiny bit of the Double Wear, mix those two together. Just dab them around. And we will blend it in. Make sure you get down the neck and your ears and push it into your hairline. Then I'm going to go in with my Pear Nova Bronzer Contour Stick. I just got this in my January Boxy Charm. With the contour, I'm just gonna do a little bit right here. A little bit on the tip of the nose. And I am going to lift a little bit. Also gonna go in with the bronzing side, just above the contour on the cheek. And a little bit on the forehead. Take a super stiff brush. This is the Morphe R8. Okay, I'm gonna start with the contour. I'm gonna push it down. Want to blend this out towards my eyebrow. Okay, and now the bronzer, I'm gonna push the bronzer up. And I'm just gonna tap over it all with the Beauty Blender to blend them nicely together. I'm gonna flip my Beauty Blender to the side that I did my foundation just to go over my nose contour so it's not so harsh, even though that blended out really nice. That was my first time using that stick and I love it. Next, I'm going to do concealer. I have the In Real Life Filter Finish C4 and C3. So I think I'm gonna start with C3, just in the inner, tiny bit and a little lifting, and then I'm going to take C4 and just right here, just a little bit. Honestly, the foundation looks so good, so I don't need a ton of concealer, and I'm just going to tap this out. Beautiful. My Laura Mercier Secret Blurring Powder for the under eyes. And mine is broken, just a little bit. I'm going to press that in under my eyes. The Estee Lauder and MAC foundation combo, I usually don't set. It really dries down nicely and just so smooth. The Estee Lauder Double Wear has like a powdery finish on its own. Highly recommend. I'm gonna do my brows. Today I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Precision Brow Pencil. I got this in the Icon Ipsy box. One side's a spoolie. Brush the brows up. And just slightly fill them in. I am also gonna use my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in a lighter color, which I do sometimes like a lighter brow. Take it or leave it. I personally like it. So let me just fill in my brows real quick. Then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Brow Mascara, and this is in Blonde. See how it lightens them up? I don't know, I love it. So I'm gonna use my Illamasqua Unveiled palette. It has all these really beautiful pinks. So I'm gonna start with this medium brown and put it right where my brow bone is. I want a very soft, lifted look. And then connect the outward of my eye to that point and just kind of drag it out. Then I'm going to use this dark pink color right here, a little flat brush. This is the Sigma 305. I'm gonna go right in the center of my eye.
And work it towards the end.
Okay, on the other side of this brush, I'm gonna take this rose gold color and go on the inner corner.
And push it up.
I'm gonna blend it. It says 16, it's rubbed off, I'm not sure. Into this darker brown color, just a tiny bit. And again, right on the brow bone. Blend that out. I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just clean up a little bit. Eye shader brush into this gold color. And just a teeny tiny bit on the very inner corner. So with the same little brush, I'm gonna go into that medium brown and smoke out under my eye the darker red, pink, and put it on the outer. Using the Carli Bybel eyeliner, very pretty packaging. It's got this super fine tip. I'm gonna use the Ofra Midi Palette Blossom Blush. I'm gonna go in with this color, the Paradise Pink. Just on the tops of my cheeks. A little bit on the nose. A little bit on the temple. Just a little on the forehead as well. And I am also going to use this highlighter shade right here, just a tiny bit on the very high point of my cheekbone. I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow. I'm going to curl my lashes. Now I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. That's cute, but I need a little more. So I'm going to use my Lash Paradise on top of it. I just love this mascara. I mean, look at that. Now for lips, I wanted to do a few different options. So first lip combo, I'm going to do the Benefit Plush Tint in Cream Puff. It's this little tiny. Okay, it's not showing up at all. So goodbye. I'm gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna go in with one of my absolute all-time favorites. You can see I've used and abused this. This is Starfish from Jeffree Star. I don't use a lip liner with this. I just go in. It is very matte and very pigmented. On top, I'm gonna go in with the Plump Gloss LA Colors. Got these at the Dollar Tree. Go watch that video right here. And I'm just gonna go for a setting spray. I'm gonna use the MAC Prep and Prime in Rose. And that completes my Posh Pink Valentine's Day look. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.